Hey guys, it's me, Elena. Something is wrong. Oh, this is better. As you might have noticed, I am an anime fan, and one of my favorite anime is When They Cry or Higurashi no Nako Koroni in Japanese. If you don't know, it's a mystery, supernatural horror anime which is based on a visual novel game of the same name by a company called Seventh Expansion. Lately they made a reboot of this anime and gave it a second life. We got a lot of new merchandise, figures and events. The biggest thing which was released and made my doll collector heart overwhelmingly happy is that Japanese doll and hobby company just released a doll of one of the main characters, Rena Ryugu. I especially love this character as her name is the same as mine. Compared to my previous Dollfie Dream doll seller Jupiter, unboxing which you can find on my channel, or also I will leave a link in the description. Her box opens on the top. Box is of a gorgeous pearl color. On the front there is a big sticker with Rena. She is posing the same way as one of the famous pictures for the new anime. She is mini Dollfie Dream, which makes her height around 43 centimeters. There is also the name of the anime and creepy "Welcome to Hinamizawa" invitation. The price of the doll was 64,900 yen before taxes on the day of the release. The box has all around different Dollfie Dream symbols and text made in gold. I wonder if those symbols mean something. There is also information about Volks company and that this doll is made in Japan. The first thing I got from the box is this amazing cleaver. It's made of plastic, the handle is imitation wood, and the blade has a silver gradient. The pointy part is pretty sharp, so be careful. I can't imagine Rena without it, so I'm pretty happy that they decided to include this important detail with the doll. Her boots are made from a brown matte faux leather. They look pretty similar to the ones from the anime, with light brown lacing on the front. They are really soft to the touch and have a heel. The sole is brown. Behind, as is usual for the doll boots, they have a brown zipper. Inside we see the standard Volks logo. The main dress is also very well made and looks similar to the anime. It is made from a white silky fabric. The most amazing part of it is that on the side and back it has a wire sewn on the seams. Thanks to this, it is possible to shape the dress creating motion effects. Isn't it great? I wish more dresses were like that. There are all standard Rena dress elements: purple bow on the front, bell-shaped sleeves with some black endings, blue color. Behind there is an imitation of the bow fastened around her waist and snaps, which will attach the rest of the bow separately. Pretty smart solution. The rear of the dress fastens with metallic snaps. Inside everything has a white lining, excluding cuffs part, which are gray. I wonder why they made it like this. Next part of your outfit is blue pulse bracelets. They also have a white lining inside, which is great considering how easy color transfers to vinyl doll's body. Considering that they don't have any openings, you probably will need to remove the hands before putting them on. Her head is a white beret type. Around it there is a thin black line. It is fixed on the side with a thread, so it always looks similar to how Rena wears it in the show. The lining inside is also white. I got unlucky this time and my head straight from the box had some brown stains, so I will send it back to the Volks for an exchange. Knee socks are made from a simple stretchy smooth black fabric. No lining here, so I will definitely be using a protective suit for the doll. The panties are also stretchy with pretty strings around the waist and legs areas. On the front there is a little purple bow. And finally, the dress purple bow. It is made from the same shiny purple fabric as her front bow. It has two snaps which I used to attach it to the back of the dress. This bow, similar to the dress, also has some wire inside it. I'm already imagining all the amazing photo shoots you can do with it. Rena has a short orange wig. Her hairstyle matches the anime with a bit longer locks on the front and bangs. The hair is very nice and smooth. Wig has a light cap. At the parting it has some resin insert imitating skin. It is pretty common trick for doll's wig to make it look more like a real hair. With the doll we got a booklet. It has different helpful information about Dollfie Dream dolls. First part is completely in Japanese and the second part is in English. It is nice that they care about English-speaking collectors too. Another little booklet is Rena specific. On the front is the same portrait as on the box. Inside there is information of all the set elements. Also there is a very useful information about the order in which you should dress up the doll. Panties, dress, ribbon, cuffs, socks, boots and hat. They also mention that the dress and ribbon have wire inside with some photo examples of how to use it. Here are also a lot of other useful information about how to put on cuffs and wig related information. On the back are recommendations about wig and head styling, so it looks like it's supposed to look. Everything is in Japanese but has pictures so it's easy to understand. Do you enjoy this video? Then don't hesitate and subscribe to my channel. It will support me and help to create more doll related videos. The doll has a very cute smiling face with big blue eyes. She has intensive cheek blushing and a gentle pink lip color. I think they made her face look perfect. She could be extremely cute and also extremely creepy with this face depending on the situation. Her mouth is sculpted pretty heavily, which I personally like a lot, more than just flat mouth. She has a fresh skin color. I personally didn't like that her head cap doesn't fit flush. I'm not sure how common it is for Dollfie Dreams, but as it won't be visible under a wig, it doesn't actually bother me. The engraving behind the head says that it was produced in 2020 in Japan by Volks. Inside her head everything is as usual for Volks dolls. The eyes are attached with hot glue. Her body is very nicely sculpted. It is very pleasing to hold her in my hands. She is smaller than my Jupiter but still feels heavy in a good way. Her default hands are suitable to hold the cleaver. You can get more gestures separately from Volks. In addition to the doll herself, I got Rena's school uniform. This set includes everything, even school shoes. The shoes are brown and made from faux leather. They are simple Japanese school shoes made from a soft and smooth material. Inside they are light brown with a silver Volks logo. The sole is black. The pleated skirt is made from a blue cotton material. On the wrong side this material is white, but Volks still made white underskirt to protect the doll's body from stains. This underskirt is sewn to the skirt and can't be removed. The skirt fastens with a metallic snap from behind. We can see that it has white lining everywhere for body protection, which is very nice. There is also a separate necktie. This is actually more of an imitation than a legit necktie. It attached to the blouse with the metallic hooks. Besides that, it looks like a real necktie. It has a white ribbon decoration and it is double folded. The set also includes short white socks with a top fold. They are stretchy. This fold is sewn to the socks, so you can't unfold it. The uniform is made from cotton. Shirt sleeves have blue endings with a white ribbon. Same for the sailor collar part. There is also a blue insert on the front. This sailor collar is attached to the top with the metallic snaps on the front and on the back. Underneath it has a white lining. There are also little thread hooks for attaching the necktie. On the side there is a little cuts. The top fastens behind with metallic snaps. It also has a white lining underneath. I'm super happy to have my waifu in a doll form. And not just some doll, but high quality Dollfie Dream angel. I was a fan of this anime for a long time and I can't believe that I actually holding a doll of my favorite character. What do you think about her? What do you feel about getting dolls of anime characters? Do you have any? Please share your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button not to miss any new doll related videos. Love dolls and Kong Kong!